Now we are going to prepare cold cream, which contain liquid paraffin, white beeswax, borax, methyl paraben, propyl paraben, rose water and purified water. To prepare this, quantity given is for 100 gram and quantity taken we are going to prepare for 22 grams. Right, 2 gram we are going to prepare extra because during manufacturing semi-solid get wasted. Right, so 2 gram will be extra and we are going to dispense 20 grams of cold cream. So here are all the ingredients. This is liquid paraffin, this is white beeswax, this is borax, this is methyl paraben, this is propyl paraben, this is purified water, and this bottle contains rose water which is going to act as a perfuming agent. We are going to add last. Now let's begin with it. So we are going to take our liquid paraffin. We are going to add here white beeswax into it. This is number 1 beaker. Now we are going to take our water. This is beaker number 2 and we are going to dissolve here borax. We are going to add borax, methyl paraben and propyl paraben. Just dissolve it properly. It will make a clear solution. Pause. Your aqueous phase is ready, complete solution. Now this is oily phase. Here liquid paraffin and white beeswax. We are going to melt it. Stir till both white beeswax and liquid paraffin get completely in liquid form. Pause. Now you can see the white beeswax is also got melted and liquid paraffin also got completely in liquid form or slightly thinner phase. Okay? So it liquid phase, keep it aside for some time and maintain the temperature 70 degree. And now take your aqueous phase also at 70 degree temperature by heating it for a few minutes. Approximately when both the phase having same temperature, that time you have to mix. Now we are going to add our aqueous phase into oily phase slowly, dropwise. Now you can see white formulation, completely emulsion is going to create it. Here water is going to act as a continuous phase, liquid paraffin and white beeswax going to act as a oily phase, and borax is going to act as an emulsifying agent. Right? So you can see emulsions are white in nature. So now emulsion is getting created. Now you have to allow to cool down, you have to stir it continuously till it gets completely cold and come to the room temperature. तो जैसे जैसे ये ठंडा होता जाएगा इसकी विस्कोसिटी बढ़ती जाएगी एंड आपका क्रीम परफेक्टली बन जाएगा. Just to increase the speed of cool down, you can put into cold water your this emulsion mixture and stir it. Make it sure don't stop till your formulation completely gets solidified or convert into semi-solid forms. Right? So you have to stir it continuously. As the temperature will get down, it will get solidified. The cream formation has been occurred. The temperature is getting down. Increase the speed of stirring and make sure no excess lump is getting created, right? Now you have to increase the speed very rapidly at the last. So unnecessary lump creation not happen. So it will become your smooth and lustrous cream, just like a Nivea cream, or you can call Pond's cold cream, like that, right? So this is simple cold cream. Now you can see the viscosity has been drastically increased and almost become semi-solid. During stirring, you may observe sometimes liquid phase gets separated. It should not happen. એવું ન થવું જોઈએ, right? So stir it very nicely and continuously. There should not be any separation of your aqueous phase. Now you have to add little quantity of rose water just to make your cream having some good smell, and you have to stir it again. Make your rose water completely mixed with your cream throughout and uniformly. Make sure जो भी परफ्यूमिंग एजेंट यूज़ करते हैं वो लास्ट में यूज़ करना है ठंडा हो जाने के बाद. वाई? बिकॉज ऑल द परफ्यूमिंग एजेंट इज़ वॉलेटाइल इन नेचर. अगर गर्मा गर्म लिक्विड है और आपका परफ्यूमिंग एजेंट डाल दोगे तो वो इवापोरेट हो जाएगा, तो उसमें कोई स्मेल नहीं आएगा. तो मेक श्योर adding of rose water or any perfuming agent you use, you have to add at the last. Now your cream is ready. It is just like you buy Nivea cream or Pond's cold cream. You can see it, right? How nicely it is getting spread, right? No grittiness. Viscosity is also enough, and you can see there is a texture is also very good looking nice. Ready? Cold cream is ready, and now you have to fill into wide mouth container. We have prepared 22 grams. Out of this we have to accurately weigh 20 gram and fill into wide mouth container and label your container properly, and wipe it out with clean cloth your container and dispense it.